Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Great news everybody, the ever popular 310M equated to now the 350M, and it's been updated again in the last few days with a new colour scheme. So this video is to show you the new 350M in its new livery. Amazing cornering ability on these bikes, on 350M. It's my favourite out of the three bikes. And here you have it, the new laser yellow colour. It's a nice short screen that's electronically adjusted. If you think of the build quality, etc., I'm going to upload a video tomorrow regarding this. Regarding the 350D, I'm going to upload it in Spanish, French and in English. It just shows a meticulous way they strip a bike down, just to show everybody how it's done. You're never going to have to need to do it yourself, but so 4 colour schemes. You got the new yellow, you have the silver coming up in a second, you have the white and the matte black with gold wheels. I have some facts here coming up for you. I've taken it off another video and you'll see it in a moment. This is the cornering ability of the bike, the 350M. But I'm taking it off the 350D one because it's exactly the same spec. But it'll show you the picture of a 350D. It'll show you the spec, and it's actually the same spec as this bike. It just stops me having to redo another video and spend 2 hours editing. So here it goes. This is the spec of the 350M, which is the same as the 350D, but just showing you the specs. Please like and subscribe. Join our journey. Over 1,500 videos in our playlist in English, Spanish, French, Arabic and Chinese subtitles. And they're regarding all the model range, the 350s, the 310s, the 150s, the 125s and the 200cc as well. So all the model ranges there in different playlists for you to have a look at in different languages. Maintenance videos, how to strip your bike videos are all there for you to look at. This is Mick signing off. I'll see you later.